Hi everyone. Once again, I am Bill Babbitt. I teach at Maranico Community High School. Uh, I teach everywhere from eighth graders to seniors. I teach two sections of Geometry CP, two sections of Honors Geometry, and a section of dual enrollment statistics. So the article that really resonated with me the most was the Four Elements to Effective Adult Learning. Um, and it was really about getting students to learn and remember more than just memorize, but be able to understand, remember to understand. They start off with the attention, and the two things they really talk about there are one, getting the attention of the student, getting them invested, having them interested in what you're talking about, and like a lot of the articles talked about is the myth of multitasking. I feel like that came up so many times, and even reading people's responses, I multitasking is the biggest thing in this week. Is it's just not a thing. It's not a useful thing. So all these myths that students have in their heads that they can do these things, we as teachers need to teach them the best ways to learn. And the best is trying to get them learning about these things. Next is generation, really a lot about repetition, um, and just as much as it seems bad, repetition being just like over and over and over again, but I teach math, so we try to bring up topics we've talked about over and over again. So even though we taught this thing 3 months ago, we're still seeing it over and over again, so the students will learn it. And emotion, getting students emotionally invested. All people remember things more when they are emotionally invested. When they have just anyone, like you're in a specific place for the first time, it's weird, and then something happens, and you remember that thing. So memories are emotionally attached, and if we can get students emotionally attached to what they're learning, they will remember it more and understand it better. And back to the repetition in the spacing, where, as I said, in math, we bring up topics that we've gone over and over again. But it's not this topic in your face 200 straight times in an hour. It's, all right, let's deal with this for about 10 minutes, and then let's deal with it next class for about 10 minutes, and then next week for about 20 minutes, and then the week after that, and then the week after that. So they keep seeing it, and eventually it's just solid because they've seen it so many times. And I think that's where it goes on the most is you need to see something so many times to really understand it.